Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. How are you all? Hope everyone is well and healthy. Today we will talk about a brand new and amazing smartphone, Oppo A6s Pro. Oppo launched this phone on February 24, 2026. Since its launch, it has caught everyone's attention among flagship phones. Gear, hardware and performance. Oppo A6s Pro uses Android V16, on top of which there is ColorOS 13. The chipset is MediaTek Helio G100, which is made in 6nm technology. The CPU is octa-core, 2 cores 2.2 GHz Cortex A76 and 6 cores 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. For graphics, there is Mali G57 MCoulombs 2, which gives great performance in gaming and multitasking. The phone has 8GB LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB UFS 2.2 storage, which is able to handle large games, apps, and media files easily. Small diamond display and design. The display and design combine to give the phone a great look. It has a 6.57-inch AMOLED screen, with a resolution of 1080x2436 pixels and a pixel density of 401 pixels per inch. The screen has Gorilla Glass, HDR10, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The maximum brightness is 1400 nits, which is clear even in sunlight. The phone has an aluminum frame plus Gorilla Glass 5 body, which gives a premium finish. The color options are Lumina Blue, Eclipse Black. The phone is IP68 water and dust resistant, meaning it is safe in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. There is a punch hole display on the front, which supports a 120Hz refresh rate. Camera with flash camera. Oppo A6s Pro has dual rear camera on the back. 50 megapixels wide camera. 2 megapixels depth camera. There is a 50 megapixels wide camera for selfies, which supports HDR. Video recording 1080p at 60 fps, also 720p at 30 fps. Features: auto flash, face detection, HDR, touch to focus. Battery. The phone has a 7000 mAh Li-ion battery. Charging facility: 80W wired fast charging, USB Type-C 2.0. The phone uses a non-removable battery. Globe network and connectivity. The phone supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. It works on 2G, 3G, 4G networks. Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and AGPS, GLONASS support. Closed lock sensors and security. The phone has an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. It also has light, proximity, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope sensors. Musical note multimedia. The phone's stereo speakers support Dolby Atmos.